I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
First, confirm the app is truly disabled and not crashed. Open Settings on your Android device and select Apps. Scroll or search for the app name to locate it. The app entry will show disabled or turned off instead of open. Note the version number and package name for later steps. Confirm available storage and RAM to rule out resource limits. This identification step prevents unnecessary reinstalls and clarifies whether enabling will restore full functionality. To re-enable, open Settings and go to Apps or App Management. Tap Search and enter the app name to find its app info page. On the app page, tap Enable to restore the icon and background permissions. If Enable is grayed out, first clear cache and storage, then try again. You can also force stop and reboot the device to refresh system services. These steps restore the app without reinstalling and usually take under 1 minute to complete. If settings cannot enable the app, use advanced tools like ADB for precise control. Connect your device via USB and enable developer options and USB debugging. Run a DB shell PM enable COM. Example, app replacing COM. Example, app with the package name. If ADB fails, uninstall updates or reinstall the APK from a trusted source. After enabling, review app permissions and disable aggressive battery optimization. Finally, restart your device and verify the app launches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.